He said he has come to greet you.
Those who think about unity, those who think about the progress of everybody, there can be no more legacy than that. And he's been part of that. And that is why I'm here to not just condole the family, the good people of Kano, but Nigeria in general, for all of us to show solidarity to the family at this difficult hour and show that this man was a good man who lived for the country and participated in a better Nigeria. The Almighty Allah will call them home, will give us other people to feel the same position. And that's our prayers. That's our prayers. May He forgive him his sin, grant him eternal rest, and grant us the fortitude while praying that we have some people who would do the same thing that he was doing. We are here at the mercy of the Almighty God. He calls us home when He feels. So the two that died were great people, two good Nigerians. I've mentioned about the Ondo governor, what he has stands for, and Right Honorable Speaker, what they stand for. They all care about Nigeria. For the incident in Jos, it's very regrettable. We shouldn't live like that. Our country, we cannot live, we're not at war. We should live peacefully. We should live together. We should not allow those deaths and numbers of the people, I intend to, visit there also to condole them.